Okay, good morning, Ray. Good morning to all. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Right, thank you. I am also fine. So after a long time, I am seeing you. So how did you spend your days at your home? Is it okay? Any troubles? Any problems? Are you fine?
Sir.
Right. So let us see the textbook, English textbook. Do you have textbook? Do you have English textbook? Yes or no? If you have English textbook, open it. Already we have been learning online classes, through online classes. Already I have started a first lesson. The lesson name is The Tattered Blanket. Unit 1, it is A reading. What is the lesson name? What is the lesson name? This is A reading. The Tattered Blanket. The Tattered Blanket. What is the spelling of tattered? T-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. The tattered blanket. The tattered blanket. And it was written by Kamala Das. If you see page number 7. Page number 7, you can see about the author. Who wrote this? It was written by Kamala Das. Kamala Das. Okay. Her period is 1932 to 2009. 2009. This is her period, Kamala Das. So it was written by whom? It was written by Kamala Das. Her period is 1932 to 2009. So let us see. What is the meaning of tattered? Tattered means what? Torn. Tattered means torn. T-O-R-N. అంటే చినిగిపోయినా. So చినిగిపోయినా. Tear, torn. Tattered means what? Torn. అంటే V2. It is V2. చింపటం. చినిగిపోయి ఉంటాం తెలుసు కదా. Don't tear the paper అంటారు కదా. So that is torn means చినిగిపోయినా. Blanket means you know already. Do you have blanket? Yes, we can see in our home blankets, so many blankets. So the lesson name is The Tattered Blanket. అంటే చినిగిపోయిన blanket too. Okay, it was written by Kamala Das. Right. Now open page number 7. Page number 7. Already we have seen in the last class. Here there is two families. Okay, this is one family. This is another family. So what is the difference between these two? This is a nuclear family, means small family. This is joint family. So there are so many differences between nuclear family and joint family. Joint family, who can we see? We can see grandparents, uncles, aunties. Okay, it's a large family. Joint family is called. Nuclear family means mother, father, brother, sister. It's enough. Small family. So here we are going to see some issues in the family. Some problems in the family. The first unit, it explains about the family. What is the theme of the first unit? Family. The theme of the first unit means how many lessons in one unit? 3 lessons. Reading A, reading B, reading C. Or A reading, B reading, C reading. Total 3 lessons we have. All 3 lessons explains about the family. Okay, మూడు లెసన్స్ లో కూడా ఫ్యామిలీకి సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చూస్తాము. ఓకే, So the first lesson name is The Tattered Blanket. Second lesson poem My Mother. And reading C, Letter to a Friend. Letter to a friend. Right. So before going to enter the lesson, it is better to learn about the author. Already in the last class we have seen. I don't know how many you have seen the lesson. Already online classes started. Even though no problem, let us see about the author also. Okay. There are few glossary words. The words also you can see. The words, glossary words. What is the first one? Tell me if you have textbook. What is the first one? Thinna. Thinna. Thinna means what? Sit out. Sit out. Especially elevated place on the veranda. Elevated place on the veranda. So ante varandalo కూర్చోంటాం. Thinna means varandalo కూర్చో. Thinna, it is a Malayalam language. Okay, we will see later. Futile. Futile means unsuccessful. Unsuccessful. Right. So page number 7 open. About the author we are going to see. About the author. Who is the author? Kamala Das. Author means what? Author means writer. Author means writer. A person who can write a book or something else is called a writer. So Kamala Das is a author. Author. What is another synonym of author? Writer. Writer. See, Kamala Das, 1932 to 2009, is the daughter of the famous Malayalam poet Balamani Amma and V.M. Nayar. So here mentioned Kamala Das' parents' names. Okay, what is the mother name of Kamala Das? Balamani Amma. Balamani Amma. And father name? V.M. Nayar. V.M. Nayar. So Malayalam poet. She was the Malayalam poet. Okay, what is the native language of Kerala? Malayalam. What is the native language of Andhra Pradesh? Telugu. What is the native language of Telangana? Telangana. Telugu. So like this, what is the native language of Kerala? Malayalam. So she belongs to Malayalam. She belongs to Kerala state. Kamala Das belongs to Kerala state. So there they can speak in Malayalam. So that's why she was very famous in Malayalam, because she wrote many poems and stories. See, let us see. She is an international known poet, short story writer and novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam. She is an international known poet. International means throughout the world. Prapancham mottam baga telisina meme. National means only in our country. International means all the countries. All the countries, world. So she is an international known poet, short story writer. Short story writer. She has a great quality. She can write short stories. Short stories means within 5 papers below. Within 5 papers below. A story must be written within 5 papers. He is called a short story. అంటే సింపుల్ గా ఉండేది. ఒక 4-5 పేపర్లు అయిపోయే స్టోరీని షార్ట్ స్టోరీ అంటారు. నావెల్ మీన్స్ నావెల్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ ఏ బుక్. ఓకే, ఒక స్టోరీ అంతా ఒక బుక్ మొత్తం ఉంటుందండి. ఒక స్టోరీ ఒక బుక్ మొత్తం ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ నావెల్. That is called novel. See, she is an international known poet, short story writer and novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam. Effortlessly. Effort means it takes hard. Effortlessly means easily. she can write the short stories, novels easily in English and Malayalam. చాలా ఈజీగా రాస్తాను స్టోరీస్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో మలయాళంలో సింపుల్గా కష్టపడదు అంతగా. జనరల్లీ ఇఫ్ వీ వాంట్ టు రైట్ ఏ స్టోరీ ఆర్ ఏ నావెల్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్. ఓకే, it is very hard to write short stories and novels also. But Kamala Das used to write stories and novels in English and Malayalam very effortlessly, very easily. Understand? Right. She has received many awards for her literary works. So that's why she has received so many awards. Okay, so many awards for her works, literary works. సాహిత్యానికి సంబంధించిన పద్యాలు, స్టోరీస్ వీటికి సంబంధించిన ఎన్నో అవార్డ్స్ ఆమెకు వచ్చాయన్న. నెక్స్ట్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ దమ్ ఆర్ ఏషియన్ ప్రైజ్, పోయిటరీ ప్రైజ్, కెంట్ అవార్డ్ ఫర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ రైటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏషియన్ కంట్రీస్, ఏషియన్ వరల్డ్ ప్రైజ్, సాహిత్య అకాడమీ అవార్డ్ అండ్ వయాల రామ వర్మ సాహిత్య. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద అవార్డ్స్ షీ హ్యాస్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ like this. This is about her author. It was written by Kamala Das and it was translated by someone is there. Translated by Malayalam K.M. Sharif. Translate చేశారు ఈ స్టోరీని. ఆమె మలయాళం రాస్తే దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసింది ఎవరంటే K.M. Sharif. SHERRI. Come in. Who translated the tattered blanket from Malayalam to English? K.M.
Sharif.
Who wrote tattered blanket in Malayalam?
Kamala Das.
Very good, Kamala Das. So let us see the lesson. Page number 3 open all of you. Page number 3. Try to buy textbook. Without textbook you can't understand the lesson. Okay. If you have textbook you may learn so many skills. How to read the word, how to pronounce the word, and not only that you can know the spelling also, and not only that you can understand the lesson. So many benefits are there if you have textbook. Okay, will you buy it as early as possible? Try to buy. Otherwise, in your village, is there any 9th class seniors? Ask them. They will give you. Okay, seniors they don't adagandi istaru. Okay, na? Right. The lesson is started like this. See, when he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was laying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. So, here are two characters we are going to see. One is mother. Second one is her son. Okay, mother and her son, two characters we have seen in the first passage. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside. Countryside means what? Already we have seen in the 7th class. Countryside means what? Town mouse under country. Very good. Countryside means village. So when he arrived means here the son arrived unexpectedly. And he is living somewhere. He is living somewhere. Unexpectedly he visited his home. Okay, he visited his village. That is here mentioned. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside, in his office car. In his office car means he is doing job. He is an employee. He is an because here mentioned office car. Okay, so afterwards got down at the gate, immediately came to his home and he get down from the car lunch the gate. His mother, who was laying in an armchair on the veranda. So mother she sat on the armchair. If you see textbook, this is the armchair. అంటే చేతులు ఇలా పెట్టుకోవటానికి ఆర్మ్స్. ఆర్మ్ అంటే ఇది కదా, ఆర్మ్ పెట్టుకో, ఆర్మ్ చైర్. ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని ఉంది వాడు మదరు. ఏమే వాళ్ళ మదరు, ఏమే డాటర్. Okay na? Mother, daughter. So see here, the son of mother. The koduku vastuna. Car unda? Is there car? Yes, he is coming. How he looks like? Employee. He wear nice dress. Looks official dress. Yeah? Now, that is. See there. So who was laying on armchair on the veranda made a futile attempt to get up. Futile means what? Futile means unsuccessful. Futile means unsuccessful. What is futile? It is an adjective. It is an adjective. Futile. F-U-T-I-L. Futile. It is an adjective which means unsuccessful. What is futile? Futile is an adjective. What is the meaning of futile? Unsuccessful. What is futile? Adjective. Okay. What is futile? Adjective. What is the meaning of futile means unsuccessful. Understand? Right. So, who was laying in an armchair on the veranda made a futile attempt to get up. She did not get up from the chair because she was very old. She was very old. And musalolu levaleru kada. Lestara? No. So same, she wanted to get up, but she did not get up from on the armchair. Next, Kamala Das is Kamala. There is somebody at the gate. She said. Somebody is in car. She said means here who said? Mother said. Mother said. Okay, mother said. What mother said? Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. She said. Somebody is in a car. Kamala means here the daughter of mother. Okay na? Kuturu. Kuturu parenti Kamala. Mother parenti chappala ikkada. Kuturu peru Kamala అని చెప్పి కుర్చీలో కూర్చొని చెప్తుంది కమలా someone is there in the car go and see అని చెప్తుంది అన్నమాట కూతురికి చెప్తుంది ఓకే వెయిట్ 1 minute